What's up guys, it's Cody over here at Form First Fitness, just giving you another garage tutorial. Today we're going to talk about a dumbbell bent over row. So the number one thing I notice with this is people like having a really wide stance or a stance wider than what it should be. For this, we want to have a relatively narrow stance inside shoulder width apart. From there, we're going to push those hips back a little bit and bring that chest down. So if we do it with weights, make sure you're picking up those weights with good form, okay? We are going to throw those hips back, drop that chest just a little bit, and we're gonna make sure we have a vertical shin, okay? So I'm not letting my shins go over the toes, nice and upright with those shins. And then from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna collapse the thumbs in a little bit so we have about a 45-degree angle with the dumbbells. Then we are going to trace our thigh or our femur as we drive those elbows up and back. Full extension, and then drive those elbows up and back. Make sure the shoulder blades are squeezed together. We should be using our lats, traps, and rhomboids to drive the weights. We are not using our upper traps, more the middle and lower. And then set it down. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.